Hi guys. This case is about a brief checklist of social media tips and tricks case study analysis. Porter's 5 Forces. The Porter's 5 Forces model is a strategy framework that measures the competitive intensity of an industry. It was originally developed in 1979 by Harvard Business School professor Michael E. Porter as a response to the popular SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, analysis. While the model still has applications, it has undergone some changes over the years. A major change occurred in the 1990s when complementary products were added to the model. As a result, many authors argue that Porter's model needs a 6th force. However, some argue that the 5 forces are still sufficient for analysis purposes. Regardless of the model's current state, the Porter's 5 forces model is still considered essential for corporate planning. By analyzing the competitive forces of an industry, companies can determine how to best allocate their resources. Porter's model considers the number of competitors. Pestle analysis. Pestle analysis is a tool that helps companies understand and interpret external factors that may affect their business. This analysis provides context for the direction of change and helps organizations prioritize and assess potential opportunities. With this knowledge, organizations can be ready to face challenges and move forward with strategic planning. When used in conjunction with SWOT analysis, Pestle can help organizations identify skills gaps and make informed product launch decisions. It can also provide a clear picture of the market position of existing products and services. Identifying key drivers of change and defining the role of new products and services can also help organizations determine their future workforce needs. Using Pestle analysis as a tool is helpful for any organization. However, it is especially important when used in conjunction with SWOT analysis. Unlike the SWOT framework, which focuses on internal elements. Thanks for watching this video. For more case studies, please visit our website, TheCaseSolutions.com. Also like and subscribe our channel The Case Solutions.